Hello, I wanted to talk about kefir today. Here is my kefir that I made in the past 4 days. So, kefir is quite amazing. I believe it's healthier than yogurt because in order to make yogurt, if you ever try to make it, you have to heat up the milk to high temperatures and then cool it off, and then put the cultures and keep it in kind of a slightly warmer environment. For kefir, you can use cold milk, preferably raw milk, but if you don't have raw milk, you can use store-bought milk, pasteurized. And then, if you don't have the kefir cultures, you can add what you have. What I do, I don't have the kefir cultures. I took this almost 1 liter jar, mason jar of cold milk, and I added 3 tablespoons or so. I could do less or more of leftover yogurt. I shook it very well, and I put it kind of under towels a little bit on a counter. So if you use older milk, last week I used milk that was 10 days old and it only took 24 or 72 hours to make kefir. It has to be kind of tangy, it has to be silky, and smooth, right? You can see that it's sour and it's not sour, right? It has to be sour, right? It's fermented. So if it's kind of still looks like milk, therefore it's not yet finished. You can also use sour cream if you want to, if you don't have yogurt. So kefir is really easy to make. You can make it anytime. Fermented products in general are easy to make, right? You just do the prep like sauerkraut, it ferments on its own. So if you have any of your favorite recipes of fermented dairy products, please share. And also, I wanted to note that sometimes milk is not very well digested, especially in women, but fermented dairy products are digested just fine. So, kefir is one of them. But of course, if you're intolerant or sensitive to milk or allergic to milk, you can experiment with something else. Well, I hope you found it helpful. Wish you all the best.